Hi, I'm Sophie from Sophie-World.com, and I'm super excited because I just received this package in the mail, and I'm going to open it up. I am pretty sure this is a special hook system, and they're sending it to me so that I can check it out. I am a party planner. I do a lot of decorating, and when I'm decorating, often there are rules in the spaces where I'm decorating where you can't use nails, you can't use blue tape, you can't even use 3M hooks, which is one of the ways that I do like to hang things up is with the 3M hooks. But I'll tell you something about the 3M hooks. As much as I like them, sometimes when you go to pull them, they break, or the little piece takes a little bit of the paint with it. So you have to be very, very careful. So I'm really excited about unboxing this and seeing if this system works. Here it is. I know, I'm not sure how you say it. Wididi? Maybe Wididi. Wididi Easy Up, or Wididi? Wididi or Wididi? Wididi, Wididi. Anyway, let's see what it says here. Simply squeeze the Easy Up, place it in a corner between the wall and the ceiling, and release again. Place another Easy Up in another corner and suspend your decorations in between the two. Okay, so let's check it out, shall we? Okay, so it looks like you squeeze it and release it, and it should go into the corner, and then you can hang things up. Well, I don't know. Let's give it a try, shall we? Let's give it a try. This is exciting. I've never seen anything quite like this. I will say, okay, it's got quite a bit of pull in there, and it's got tiny little, like two tiny little, almost kind of like pin pricks in the corner, like kind of like what you would see here. Let me show you real close there. They're kind of like little tiny thumbtacks, or like, you know, the edges of a thumbtack. All right, let's go give it a try. This has texture on it, so it's going to be interesting to see if this will work with the texture. If not, what I'll do is I'll try it someplace else. Yeah, it's not going to work with the texture, I don't think. Oh, wait, maybe so. Okay, let's give it a try. Huh. Okay. It's certainly hanging. It's certainly in place there. I think what I should try to do is try this one on this side and one on the other side and see if I can hang some little banners. I'll do that as well. It looks like this is working. Huh. This is interesting. I have to say, I'm really pretty excited and intrigued about this. Okay, so now I've got this happy birthday banner here, and I'm going to give it a try. This is heavier. I've put one of the other Wididis or Wididi in the other corner, and so now let me just try hanging this up, and let's see how it does. Well, it certainly seems to work. It certainly seems to hold up my banner here. It's secure. It's really pretty darn secure. This is pretty darn awesome. I gotta say, I'm super, super impressed. I'm gonna try it in a couple other places in my house and see how it does, and I'll get back to you on it. So I've had this hanging here. I had it hanging over on the other side, and then I put one over here and hung like a garland, left that up for like 10 minutes, totally great. This one I just put up here. This has been here basically for 30 minutes, hanging, no problem. I gotta tell you, right now, super impressed. I'm super, super impressed. Okay, so here's the deal with this. I hung it underneath the kitchen cabinets here. So this one here and this one here. And I suspended a happy birthday banner and two of these paper balls. And these paper balls are not lightweight. They're probably like 3-4 ounces at least each. And they're doing well. And this is all made out of felt. So this is pretty heavy as well. And this has been hanging here for the last 15 minutes, and it's doing great. What's cool about this is that This is just a very thin edging of wood, and it's able to catch because it's just the width of those two little tiny little prongs that stick out. And I think those prongs seem to me to be very, very important. It needs to have those prongs so it gets like a little grab. When I did take it off of the wall, though, there was no marks or anything, so it wasn't like it punctured into the wall. It just kind of uses it as a little grip. Okay, so my honest opinion about these as a party planner is they're pretty darn fantastic. So you get 4 in a package. Wididi says that they can only hold up to about 2.2 pounds each. So this is not something for like super, super duper heavy duty, like lights. I wouldn't hang anything that's, you know, heavier than maybe like a big paper lantern or a banner or that sort of party decor. They are cool though, and they can certainly go up anywhere that you have a corner. They seem very, very workable. They seem like you could use them over and over and over again. They are made pretty well. You get 4 in a package. The cost on this, at least from Amazon, was, I think it's like $15.99 for the 4 of them. So they're about $4 a piece, which means they're not inexpensive. However, they work really well, and especially if you're in a situation where you're trying to put something up and not leave any, you know, marks behind, this is really a good way to go. So as far as I'm concerned, as a party planner, I'm actually probably going to put an order in for some of these, you know, like 5 or 6 boxes of them, because then I would have a bunch of them for hanging up a whole lot of decor. I give Wididi 2 thumbs up. I think it's a great product. It's not inexpensive, but it's well worth it. So there you have it. For more reviews, check us out, Sophie-World.com.